Hello everyone, all my friendly traders on the internet. The trade I should have taken would have been a monstrous winner. The FOMC statement has been one of the hardest events ever to trade. It can be volatile. The brokers raise the margin, so you have to have extra money in your account to trade it. It can be a challenge, to say the least. In the back of my mind, I also know it's the trade I've lost the most money on ever in my trading history, and I'm a little bit leery of the trade, to say the least. During the week, I did some extra testing on a gold setup that looked great, and I retested our NQ setup, and it looked great. Right before the news came out, there was a move downward in the NQ, but look at the explosion to the upside. The same thing in gold. My friends, traders of the internet, that would have been a very beautiful, profitable trade. I'm going to trade in the future, going forward, trades that I know would be in this video, the trades I should have taken, so that they're not the trade I should have taken, but they're going to be the trade I did take and make a ton of money on. But FOMC statement does have a lot of risk. It is a margin event, meaning it does cost more money to trade, so it's harder to have a lot of contracts, which sometimes can limit your profits. Being truthful, and I kid around a lot, this could have been a beautiful winner, but it was a trade we didn't take because we're teaching don't trade the riskiest of the riskiest reports. Trade the best of the best. However, doesn't change the fact that I had a tremendous regret by not taking this trade. So the FOMC statement on gold and the NQ is the trade I should have taken. Don't forget to join our challenge at www.freetraderoom.com so you can take advantage of these opportunities in a real live cash account or in your prop account. Lee Goldstein, hope you're having an awesome and really joyous holiday season. We love our members, and we want you to join our challenge and let us teach you how to trade the appointment-based trading method. www.freetraderoom.com. I'll see you on the inside.